Hello everyone, welcome back to Len's Homestead. Alright, school's in, and now I am digging my first hole using a mini excavator. Now, I've operated backhoes, but the thing is, this had like forklift controls. You just had single sticks coming up and you would do each one. Well, that was no big deal. I was still slow at it. But having a joystick, and I will admit, yes, it is a little warm in that cab. But tell you what, machine is all greased up. I already got started. I figured, you know what? I want to document this moment because this is only the beginning. So, let me get you set up. I got one bush here I'm going to dig out. I got another bush over there I'm going to dig out. And I'm going to pluck it out and put it in the bucket of my little subcompact tractor. Let's get started. I did it. I got that foot. It took a couple tries because finally, the problem I have, I can't see in depth. I can only go by shadows when I'm handling something. So yeah, I dug up my first bush and I actually got it into the bucket of the tractor. And this is definitely dead. So, what can I say? I need a lot of practice. So I can always keep telling people that I'm training to do a job. Practice makes perfect. So, it could take me a year to be fluent in this thing. It could take 6 months. I don't know. But I really like the machine. The more I use it, the more I'll get used to what you can do and what you can't do. So, that's it for this video, and I'll see you here next time here on Lynn's Homestead, where I'm learning something totally new to me. See you next time.